Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the ciabatta rolls with chicken stuffed inside it and Parmesan roasted baby potatoes. This I made for a potluck and you will see both the recipes in this video today. I have made this in air fryer and please watch the recipe till end so you do not miss any steps here. All the ingredients used here will be mentioned in the video description. So here I'm preparing the masala chicken first that we're going to stuff inside the ciabatta roll. So what a ciabatta roll is, it's more of like a sweet and little different from the normal bread that we eat. It is soft and very tasty also. It has a very different taste for the ciabatta rolls. And here I have taken one onion, finely chop it, add ginger, garlic, then red chilli powder, turmeric powder, chicken masala, salt, and give it a good mix. We want the raw taste of the onion to go. So we will keep stirring it. So I'm using here electric skillet. I will mention the link for it. If you're interested, you can go and look for it on Amazon. I'm using this electric skillet for last 7 years, and here you can see this the quality of the product is so good that there is no scratch on this non-stick base, and it comes with a glass lid. So for the baby potatoes, we cut these potatoes into 2 halves, but here I'm in a hurry, so I just put it like this, and once it's baked, I cut it into 2 halves. Here the chicken also, I put the chicken breast directly. You can cut it into small cube sizes and then add it. It's quickly, it's easy to cook faster also. But yeah, I want the recipe to be done very quickly. I just put the chicken like that, adding little water here. And for the potato, it's baked in air fryer. Now I'm cutting it into 2 halves. Now we'll prepare the marinade for this baby potatoes. That's going to be Parmesan roasted baby potatoes. So here I've taken 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon Parmesan, 1 to 2 tablespoons is good, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, and oregano 1 teaspoon. Give it a good mix. Now add that butter mix to this roasted potatoes. We're going to air fry once again the baby potatoes so that the Parmesan everything is nicely bind together. I'll mention the degree, the temperature used here in the description below. You can later refer to it. 385 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes and the potatoes are done. Nicely crisp and buttery and tasty inside. Smells so good. The Parmesan smell gives a very nice tasty potluck menu idea, isn't it? So for the ciabatta rolls, I'm going to cut this into a small square shape like this. Make sure we don't cut the whole bread, just on top, so we can take it as a cover, So we will prepare the butter mix for this. Butter, I'll add chili flakes into it, oregano, and going to add garlic powder also. Here the chicken masala is ready. Very easy and tasty. Brush this butter onto the ciabatta bread all over. Now we'll do the stuffing here. This we will use as a lid. Add the chicken stuff here. Add the last piece of that bread, the cover, as a cover. Now it's ready to be air fried. We will do this for 4 minutes because we just want the butter to be nicely coated on the ciabatta rolls. That's it. The chicken is already cooked. The bread is cooked. We want that garlic butter flavor to come on the bread, so we'll do it for 4 to 5 minutes. That's it. Now it's ready to be served. Very easy and quick recipe you can make for your family and friends. I made this for a potluck and everybody loved it. It was such a good hit in the party. We can cut it into 2 halves and serve, or they can enjoy it as it is. Very good, tasty recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.